What's good, grind family? Reggie P here. Let me ask you something. Are you broke and need money right now? Well, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can get $50 legally in 10 minutes as a broke person. Now, if that sounds good to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get $50 legally in 10 minutes as a broke person. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And usually I give away free money. So please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, before I get into this method, please check in the description below. I have some free giveaways and other free stuff you can download right now. Plus, I got other cool opportunities that you can get involved in and make some money just for signing up for this website. So check down there in the description below and see all the goodies I have for you guys. All right, please watch this video to the very end so you will know the full method on how to make this $50 in 10 minutes. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can make $50 legally in 10 minutes as a broke person. So let's grind and let's get it.
All right, I'm in the App Store and I'm at this app. It's called Mind Swarms. All right, so let's read about it here. It says join the Mind Swarms community and earn money participating in research studies. It's simple. Complete your profile, browse studies, apply, and we'll notify you with studies right for you. Share your wisdom. Record 40 to 60-second videos of yourself responding to study questions. Get paid. Receive $10 to $50 and sometimes more per study in 24 hours via PayPal. So basically what they're doing is they paying you to record yourself talking about a certain study that they have sent to you. So what you're going to be doing is receiving these studies, and then you're going to make a little short video about the study, giving your opinion and whatnot, and you go ahead and turn that in and you get paid within 24 hours. So let's go right here. I just want to see what it says on here. All right, it says, if applicable, which of the following is the best describes where you are in purchasing, leasing time frame. So you would answer these questions. And right here it says, I have just purchased or leased a car within the past month. Then right here, you get $50. Like on this one right here, it says apply to this study to tell us about your car shopping experience. So you'll tell about your car shopping experience and hit apply. And here's some other studies. As you can see, this person right here, that's the same person about my car. They got $50. And this is how you sign up. You get paid to share your opinions for market research studies. So you sign up right here with your email, first name, last name, password, country, and age, and if you're male or female. So basically what this is like the other apps as far as doing surveys. You're just doing selfie video surveys. So that's how that works. And you'll get paid from $10 to $50 via PayPal in 24 hours. All right, let's just look at some reviews right quick. The rating, I know the rating right here says 3.4 on rating, but don't worry about that. It just, from my research, I just had some bad experience with the app, but not the actual service. So this one says great app if you can qualify. So you do have to qualify, but from my experience, from my research, it's not really that hard to qualify. And this one says easy money, and this app is legit. So it's more good reviews than bad reviews. All right, so if you're interested in this app and you're ready to make $50 just for making selfie videos or answering surveys about products or anything else that's in the studies that they send you, go ahead and go to Minds Swarms. The app is in the App Store.
All right, now you know the website you can go to right now and start making that $50 in 10 minutes. Now, go ahead and download that app, start making those little videos, and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your support. Please smash that like button. And guys, help me get 25 likes. So I want all you guys that's watched my video, hit that like button. If I get 25 likes or more, that's going to help my video be more searchable on YouTube. And what that means is going to attract more viewers, and those viewers can turn to subscribers. So once I get more subscribers, I'm shooting for 500 subscribers right now. If I can get up to 500 subscribers, I'm going to give out some free money to some people. So guys, if you want some free money without doing anything at all, hit that like button. Hit it right now. Hit that like button. All right. Please leave a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today. And please share this on social media everywhere. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Because I make videos like this every day. All right, I'm out of here, but you don't have to leave. If you're bored after this, you can just stay here and watch my other videos. I have a lot of videos that will show you a ton of different ways to make money online. So go check out those videos after you watch this one. All right. Before I leave, I would like to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Deuces.
This is App Grind TV.